language buddies! Welcome to my channel where English becomes your best friend. Today we are exploring the present continuous tense, or we can call it present progressive. It's like a camera that shows what's happening right now. By using this tense, you can talk about the actions that are happening at the very moment. Like, you are watching my video. I am teaching English. We are learning the present continuous tense. Imagine all you can say by using this tense. But wait, it's not just about now. You can use it to talk about your future plan. For example, I'm visiting my doctor next week. Or even you can use it to talk about the temporary situations. For example, I'm taking English classes these days. Or I'm living in Madrid this summer. Guys, although it is not a common grammar in some languages, or even it doesn't exist in some languages, but in English it's a very common tool. Are you ready for the ride? Let's go! Okay, let's get to the usages. We use present continuous tense. Of course, one of the usage of present continuous tense is to talk about the actions that are happening when we speak at this very moment. An action which is happening now. Look at the example. I am talking on the phone. I am talking on the phone. Or we can use distance to talk about the temporary situations. Something that is currently happening. The example, you are working a lot lately. You are working a lot lately. It is not happening always. It's just currently, recently, these days. And at last, we can use present continuous to talk about the future plans. I am visiting my grandmother next week. I am visiting my grandmother next week. Well, how is the structure? Is it difficult? Nope, it's super easy. Let's learn about the form. Subject plus to be verbs am, is, or are depends on your subject plus verb ing. I am teaching. You are watching. We are learning. They are listening. She is speaking. He is eating. It is working. How is the negative form? The only thing you need to do is to put not after your to be verbs and before your verb ing. I am not teaching. You are not watching. We are not learning. They aren't listening. You can also use the short form or contraction, but only in informal context. She is not speaking. He isn't eating. It is not working. Question form. The only thing you do is to switch the place of your to be verbs and subject. Am I writing? Are you laughing? Are we sleeping? Are they cleaning? Is she crying? Is he playing? Is it closing? So you use to be verb, am, is, are, depends on your subject at the first, and then you bring the subject and then verb plus ing. I want to give short answer to save my time and don't repeat unnecessary information. What should I do? Let's do it together. Are they enjoying the party? In the positive form, yes, they are. Yes, they are. In the negative form, no, they are not. or no, they're not, or no, they aren't. Contractions only in informal context. Another example, is she eating pasta? Yes, she is. No, she's not. No, she's not. Or no, she isn't. Do you think you've learned the short answers? So prove yourself by answering the next question. Are you learning English? Yup, that's right. Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. Or no, I'm not. There are some spelling rules for adding ing to your verb. The first is when your verb ends in N, like run. N is a consonant letter. So when a verb ends in a consonant letter, you have to double the last letter when you add ing to it. Like he is running. Next rule is when a verb ends in silent E, only silent E. You have to omit the E and add ing. They are dancing. But when your verb ends in double E, you don't need to omit E and you write the complete letters of the verb. Like I am seeing my doctor next week. The last but not least is when your verb ends in IE. You replace IE with Y, like lie. She is lying to him. Now it's your turn. Find the mistakes in the following sentences and correct them. You can write the corrected sentences in the comments below, and I'm always there for you to give you feedback and correct any mistakes. Keep practicing and remember, practice makes perfect. High five, dear learners! Now you know all about the present continuous tense. You can talk about what's going on at the very moment, and even you can talk about what's coming up, or you can express your temporary situations. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up for more language learning content. Until next time, as always, keep learning and growing.